Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out these pet grooming trimmer kit. This was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you, and I'm super excited to test it out. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, this comes with everything you need to get started, instructions, lots of different various guards, and your rechargeable clippers. These are recharged with a Type-C cord, which it does come with. Look at this, nice big display, different lengths, and 2 different speeds. Let's get this charged up and then we'll start cutting my dog's hair.
These clippers were so easy to use. They cut through my dog's fur so smoothly. So this cute little white boy, he's got very straight hair but a thick undercoat. And I'm definitely not a professional groomer. Definitely need to work a little bit on my clipper skills on the dog, but these clippers worked really well for his different fur types and lengths. And just super happy. I forgot to note in the beginning, this also does come with a comb and scissors. So if you do need to trim fur, you can do that manually as well. This also worked great on my other dog that has really curly fur, and the noise was not too loud. They did so good, and I love these for trimming up the dogs and keeping them looking best in between professional grooming. So I hope you enjoy these as much as I do.